A strong roof starts with quality shingles and expert installation. Over time, shingles can crack, curl, or wear down, leaving your home exposed to leaks and weather damage. Homeowners in Pittstown, New Jersey, trust Guardian Pro Roofing and Improvements for professional roof shingles installation. Our process begins by carefully removing old materials and preparing a solid foundation for your new roof. We install protective layers to guard against moisture and improve long-term durability. Using high-quality shingles and precise installation techniques, we ensure a clean, secure, and weather-resistant finish. Every detail matters, from proper alignment to secure fastening, so your roof performs at its best. The result is a durable, attractive roof that enhances your home's appearance and protects it for years to come. At Guardian Pro Roofing and Improvements, we're committed to quality craftsmanship, reliable service, and customer satisfaction. Upgrade your home with professional shingle installation you can trust. Can new shingles improve energy efficiency? Yes. Modern shingles combined with proper ventilation can help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. Do I need to remove old shingles before installing new ones? In many cases, old shingles are removed to ensure proper installation, though some roofs may allow for overlay installation depending on local codes. What role does ventilation play in shingle installation? Proper ventilation prevents heat and moisture buildup, extending the lifespan of shingles and improving energy efficiency. Where is Guardian Pro Roofing and Improvements located? We are located at 5 I-78 Frontage Road, Pittstown, New Jersey 08867. Our phone number is 85638611514. Visit our website, www.aproofer.com/Williamstown-NJ.